Can I connect with students who are currently studying at Plymouth College of Art? Yeah, so our students are the ones who know the most about our university, and you can get in touch with them on Unibuddy to learn about Freshers Week, fees and funding, accommodation, and anything else about the university. Do you offer online or distance learning? So yeah, a number of our undergraduate courses are available to study online before joining us on campus for your second and third years. This could be great for anyone who's not ready to move to Plymouth yet, or for people just looking to save a bit of money. And if you want a bit more information, then have a look on our website. So I want to do a creative degree, but I don't have a portfolio of relevant work. What can I do? So we consider everyone as an individual, and that's why we really want to meet you. First off, what I would say is get in touch with one of our lecturers. They'll be able to give you guidance based on what your projects and proposals are. And secondly, it would be worth taking a look at our dedicated Making Change course, which can help shape what you already have into a portfolio.